Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sour. Today we're going to make a cocktail that is cool, it's refreshing, it tastes great. One of the legends of this cocktail is in the early 1800s on a plantation in South Carolina. There was a woman who used to make this for her co-workers so that they would help cool down. Today's cocktail is called the Planter's Punch. So let's get pouring. Let's start with taking our shaker. And we're going to start with our fresh juices. First off, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. Now you can use orange juice, you can use lime, you can use pineapple juice, you can use any kind of juice that you like. It's really a pretty little recipe. Next, we're going to use 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We keep using fresh juices because we all know fresh is best. Next in the mix, 1 ounce simple syrup. And finally, our spirits. We're going to use 2 ounces of dark rum. Today we're using Myers rum. It's a Jamaican rum. And then 2 dashes of bitters. We're going to ice and then give it a good shake. Now that it's nice and chilled, we're going to take a mason jar. We're going to fill that with ice. We're going to give this a strain. We're going to take a fresh sprig of mint, give that a slap, pop that in there, a little bit of orange slice, that goes in there, and 1 straw, and this becomes like an instant chick magnet. You finish this up, and magically, hot women appear. What do you think, honey?
Smell of it. That is really good.
That's the Planter's
That's really
Punch.
good.
Thanks, folks. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see.